Box of goodies. Bad boy's made of.
Hi Big Tractor Power fans, in this video my friend Matt is going to take us through the process of setting up a brand new 34-foot WISHEK 862 NT disc equipped with 30-inch blades. The farm that Matt works on in western Kentucky runs 8 of these big heavy-duty WISHEK discs for primary tillage in the fall. The discs are used to plow under corn stalks. They run at about 8 miles per hour, 5 inches deep, to prepare a seed bed for next year's winter wheat crop. This disc is new to the farm for 2020 and comes from the factory semi-assembled. Matt will take us through the process of final assembly, adding the disc gangs and the wheels as well as some grease points, and at the end of the video the disc will be driven out of the shop and parked in the farm's big equipment shed. I hope that you'll enjoy seeing all the work that goes into setting up a WISHEK disc.
I'm getting ready to put this disc together. I got a new toy to help me out too. It's a Milwaukee 1-inch impact that I picked up here at my local dealer, Casey Mill Supply. They also got me hooked up with some new batteries too. I'm pretty excited. It's the first time I've got to use this, so we'll see if it can handle it. This is a big heavy disc and got some big bolts to tighten, so we're gonna see how it works. So this WISHEK comes partially assembled. I got to hook up the cylinders here on the wing wheels. Got to put in the other wheel there. Same thing on the other side, and then basically just the gangs that go on the wing. It's a big heavy disc. Got 30-inch blades on it. Can really cut up some ground. Some people don't believe us when we tell them that these discs have 30-inch blades. Well, here's your proof. 30. Well, 30 and a quarter, actually. But yeah. They're huge. Same thing to the other side. We'll be ready to put on some gangs. So we moved it outside. I didn't want to tear up the floor in our new shop by dropping these big gangs on the floor. Would have taken chunks out of the concrete. So we're going to do it outside. It's a nice day. Couldn't ask for a better day to do it, really. Don't get days like this in January very often.
Okay, fuck it up. You're doing great, boss.
handle on this thing. Big thanks to Casey Mill and BJ for hooking me up with this. Really happy with it.
Now that the wheels and disc gangs are mounted on the WISHEK, it's time to add the mud scrapers. We'll see Matt and Gil work together to add these scrapers behind the disc blades. The scrapers help keep dirt and mud and debris from building up on the big blades as they turn in the field.
Got one thing left to do. Put on the scrapers. Maybe 15/16. Deep well. See good. Look at you.
I'm way ahead of you, brother.
Thanks. They don't look that heavy, but good lord, they're heavy. Ooh.
What's your dome?
Oh, man.
Okay.
Oh, this is gonna be fun.
Is that gonna go? That U-bolt's gonna be right here.
I gotta go up.
Gotcha.
See, there's like a mark right there.
Yep.
And put it up like this.
Alright.
So, all right, I swear this is the last thing. We just got to put a grease fitting in. You want to do the other side?
Some crazy wrench action.
Yeah.
Where's the other?
Here it is.
Thanks, bud.
that's a wrap. Now we don't get to use it till October.
That's a wrap on assembling the big WISHEK disc, and now it's time to go park it in the farm's equipment shed until it's needed this October. We'll see Matt and Gil take the big disc out of the shop, and you'll get a little tour of the farm as they head from the shop around the 3 million bushel grain bin system to the big equipment shed, where this WISHEK will be parked with the other 8 big WISHEK discs the farm uses for primary tillage.
Well, they almost don't fit in the shop, they're so tall.
I hope you've enjoyed spending some time in the shop with Matt, seeing how he set up this 34-foot wide WISHEK 862 NT disc. I think it's always exciting to see these big discs that work out in the field, churning up the soil, preparing the seedbed, but I think it's also equally interesting to see what kind of work goes in to getting a big disc like this ready to head out to the field. In the next Big Tractor Power video with Matt, he's going to take us through the spring setup of getting the farm's anhydrous toolbars ready to go. These big toolbars are Blue Jet AT 6020 60-foot wide bars. They apply anhydrous ammonia, which is a nitrogen fertilizer, into the soil, preparing the ground for this year's corn crop. If you would like to see more videos like this one, I hope you'll consider subscribing to Big Tractor Power YouTube, where there's over 1,000 videos of farm machines in action. Make sure to click on the notifications bell as well so you'll know when the next Big Tractor Power video is released. New videos are coming out almost every day from the channel. If you have any questions or thoughts about this video, please leave them in the comment section below as I try to respond to every post that is made. If you would like to get a preview of what is coming up next on Big Tractor Power YouTube, make sure to check out Big Tractor Power Instagram, where I share pictures and short video clips of what is currently being filmed in the field. As always, thank you for watching.